Hey gang, so I wanted to share what we did in art class today. So today's was surprise drawings. So it starts out like this and then you open it up and it's like, ah, surprise! And here's another one. There's a nice little fish and then it's like, la 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 la, rah, surprise! And here's my Pokeball, which I so totally need help with because it's like, Charmander! Gotta catch them all. And my last one, which is a mushroom that turns into a popsicle, or maybe it's a lava lamp. But anyway, we are having so much fun in our art class, so if you want to join us, you should definitely do so. It's Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays at 3 o'clock, and it's through Zoom, so just email me or ping me, and I'll let you know how to get into class. Bye!